All right, the exhaust came for this car maybe a month ago. Just bust open the box. This is well more than enough for this car, but I'm gonna use some of this to do the white car. The little small piping I have to do for the white car. I'm gonna use some of this to just map something out. Here go the mufflers. I've had these over a couple years now. I've had these just sitting up here. These are the mufflers for the black car. We're just gonna use the stock muffler for the white Mustang, but just want to get something to run to that pipe. I got a white pipe here somewhere. Trying to make something work. I'm gonna figure something out for the white car. Just have something. And I got some gas, so should be all good to create something. But yeah, I'm gonna map out something for the white car really quick. I'm not gonna film it. I was, but just trying to get down with the white car. So I may film the black car when I try to create something under here where it looks decent. Not nothing spectacular or anything, but just something decent. So I'm just trying to piece something together, get on the white car to get it quiet right now. I already got some measurements somewhere around here. So let me try to map something out for the white car so I can cut it. Got my cutoff saw ready to go. Just did a video for that on the channel. Just installing a decent stand for it for right now. And I can start cutting and getting my exhaust on these cars to get them quiet. All right, let me figure something out for the white car and be back in a minute. Just want to show both tubing here. Ample enough tubing for both cars. Plenty. I'll have a bunch left over too for more projects. So as I'm welding now, I just realized that my welds are not turned out great like I want them to because the tank was empty that I just got from him. So I have to go back and get another tank, and I'll show you guys that right now. I'll put that little small clip in there. He was ready for me to bring that tank back, and just was very apologetic and swapped the tank out for me. But my welds would have been much better had I had gas. But I wanted to get this done, so I didn't take the tank back for a couple days after me filming this. All right, we're back. I just finished the exhaust. I have to customize me a little cross pipe under here to make it work with the standard exhaust. I just got my tank filled up, but they gave me the wrong tank. The tank was empty, so I have to go back and get another tank. So some of my welds are not perfect. I have to get another tank. You've seen in the previous video, you see me boasting about my new tank. So I have to get another tank so I can have some good welds, but turned out okay. If I'd had some gas, I'd have had some great welds, but that's what we got under here. I got all the bolts in. I'll go on the other side and I have to run it back here and connect it right there. Let me show you the other side. All the boats. And hey, it's not the prettiest, but the black car, when I get to that, that's gonna be great. Get all the boats in. So I have to measure and make this so everything lined up like I wanted it. We're raised up, not touching anywhere. Came out back here. So just made good with what I had and turned out pretty decent. So this video will be the first start with a quiet exhaust. I'm excited. And then I'll be, I guess the next video will be a test drive. Next video will be a test drive. So let's start it. You know, I haven't started in maybe a couple weeks now. So let's start it and see how it sounds. We're here now. Hopefully we don't need to jump. Let's see what we got. Okay, it's a wrap. Running super good, super good. I guess now I can take it for a spin in a minute and then put the new hatch on. I put an overflow tank in here. I got that for the coolant. I got the washer fluid tank, but I'm gonna take it for a test drive and then we're gonna focus on getting that hatch fixed up and that'll be it. That'll be it. We got exhaust. It's running good. It is.